Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Okay, starting off with hair that has been shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned, braided with no product, and stretched overnight. Let's go ahead and get into the blowout. First, I like to wet my hands with warm water and rub that throughout my hair. Then I take my leave-in of choice. In this video, I'm using the Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner. Normally, I would use a liquid-based leave-in conditioner instead of a cream, but I didn't have none on hand, so this is what I'm going for. Next, I take my heat protectant, which is very important. I'm using the Tresemme. I only flat iron my hair about once or twice a year, but every time I do, I normally always grab for this Tresemme heat protectant. Next, I like to detangle my hair, and then the blow drying method I like to use is called the tension method. I'm basically stretching and pulling at my hair as I'm blow drying. I'm not using a comb or brush at this moment. I'm just trying to stretch my hair as much as I can by pulling and focusing the blow dryer where I want it to be to get my hair as dry and stretched as possible. Then I like to detangle with my Denman brush first, and then I pick up my wide tooth comb and continue to detangle and blow dry my hair to stretch it out even further. Next, I go in with my paddle brush and I continue to do the same thing, brushing my hair and focusing the blow dryer where I need it to be to get my hair dry and as stretched as possible. And here are the results. And I am in desperate need of a trim, a professional trim, because I've been keeping up with my own ends for years. I have not been to a hair salon in probably over 5 years. I don't know at this exact moment, but it's been a while. So I plan on getting a professional trim by the end of this year when everything starts opening back up. But here you can see the result from one side being blow dry and the other side being taken out of the braid. You can definitely say shrinkage is real. And of course, I just continue to do the same thing all over my hair. I'm done blow drying the back section. I like to split my hair down the middle and put each section into 2-strand twists while I continue to blow dry the rest of my hair. Next, I like to take my DIY hair growth oil and apply this to the ends of my hair and really work that in. Prior to this, my hair was dry and matted and I had to comb out pretty much dreads. Yeah, I let my hair get bad again and I am trying to work on it. So my hair was not at its best. So I had to make sure that I protected my hair and gave it as much nourishment as possible before I went into flat iron. And if you want to see how I flat iron my hair, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what kind of videos do you want to see from me. And here are my blowout results. I am absolutely in love with it. I will blow out my hair way more often if I wasn't afraid of damage. But either way, the flat iron results are even better. I can't wait to show you. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time.